What's up guys, Untitled Studios here, and first I will apologize for any background noise you see. Unfortunately, the windows have to be open since it's pretty hot in my house right now, and I live on a busy street, so not much you can do about that. So, this is the Bissell CrossWave hard floor cleaner, and as you can see, this is a remanufactured example of this unit. So, this machine I bought pretty much completely on an impulse because we were in need of a hard floor cleaner. And I previously had a Hoover, I forgot what it was called. It was called a Floormate Jet, I want to say. I believe it was a 1-power variant of the newer generation Floormate. But unfortunately, a friend is currently borrowing that at the moment. More power to them after all. It is a really nice machine, which means that my traditional hard floor cleaner is out of commission at the moment. The aforementioned Black & Decker steam mop that I've had before is not doing too hot. So there comes in this. I was at Ollie's warehouse in Terre Haute, Indiana, and I found this Bissell CrossWave, and they had it on sale for $119.99 as a remanufactured, well, as you can see, machine. And normally these machines retail for around $229. That's the last time that I saw them at my local Walmart. This is the corded variant. This is not the cordless Max. They did have the cordless Max, though, for about the same price as what the corded version is brand new. Again, also a remanufactured machine. It seems like my local Ollie's warehouse, I say local like it's not an hour away, my local Ollie's warehouse does have a lot of remanufactured Bissells, so that's one thing that is really nice. They have a lot of remanufactured stuff, and I've had plenty of good experience with Bissell's remanufactured units, so that's where I decided to get this machine. So, enough chitter chatter. I know a lot of people watch these because they just want to see me unbox the machine and put it back together. So we're going to do that right now and just get this over with. So we're going to start off by opening this machine. So we have a box that opens up long ways just like this. We're just going to open it long ways. It seems like the easiest way to open this. So we're just going to cut the tape on either side. For some reason, every one of these machines that you buy brand new, just any sort of cheap vacuum, tends to have pretty thin, cheap tape. I don't know if that's just because of the amount of wear the boxes have from sitting in a warehouse over the years. Of course, you gotta be very careful not to actually slice it, but once you get this middle part started, you can just kind of tear it the rest of the way, and it goes pretty easily, as you can see right there. It appears that I opened it upside down. Well, okay. Actually, no, I didn't, because they have the carton contents up here. So this is actually rather bare bones. I'm unsure as to if this machine is supposed to come with any trial cleaning solution, but I spilled some water. No, I didn't. So, as we can see, the machine is backwards. If we flip this up, the carton contents that's supposed to contain the handle, the body, the clean water tank, and multi-surface cleaning formula, which is very nice. So that way, when you buy this machine, whether you buy it as a remanufactured unit or you buy it one brand new, you still get a little bit of solution with it, so you can get up and running without immediately having to go back to the store and buy a new solution. Presumably, you didn't think to buy a solution when you first bought the machine. Here's the manual, Bissell CrossWave User Guide for the 1785, 2210, and 2211 series. So set that aside, add that to my collection of Bissell manuals. And we're just going to lift this up and out of here. There's a little hook right here. We're just going to grab it by that and pull these out. Someone's honking at me for some reason. We're going to pull this out, and there we go. Click that into place. I don't know if you saw that, but here's the handle. Nice metal handle. And there should be some trial solution somewhere in this box. Oh, sounds like it's in here. And here it is. So we got a cute little bottle of multi-surface solution just right there. 236 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces. So that's it. That's all we get in this box. Just the packaging materials and all of that. And of course the materials for that and that. So we can go ahead and push this aside real quick without damaging the box, because I can easily reuse that box. And we can see we have the main unit right here, which, in case yours isn't in the upright position, you just push it forward until it clicks into the upright position. You can hear it click into place, so that's pretty foolproof. The handle just clips in the top. At least it looks like it does. Oh, yes it does. And there we go, it's fully assembled. So that was a very quick and easy assembly. There's a cord hook up here on the top of the handle, right here. I don't know if you can see that, this little turquoise bit on this model. And then of course the lower cord hook is not reversible, that's just attached to the unit. And we have our cord right here. So of course that just comes undone with a rubber band right there. And there's your cord. And then the only other thing that this has is the little baby solution and the user's guide. So that's pretty much it. This assembly tutorial was admittedly very short, but hey, Bissell made it very simple on this machine to put together. And other than winding the cord around the two cord wraps once you're done, and swiveling the upper cord wrap down in order to pull the cord off, and utilizing the cord clip up here, there's pretty much nothing else as far as assembly. Now, as far as actually using the clean and empty water tanks, that's pretty self-explanatory. This one just pulls straight up, and you can just fill it right in here, or just fill it up here. And once you fill it, pop that in there. Then of course your dirty water tank, you got this little button right here that pulls out just like that. Got a little filter here, and yeah. So I will be using this machine pretty extensively and reporting back whenever I do a full review on this. And I may in fact do some, oh, there's a little hair in there. That's funny. I don't know if you can see that. There's just like one random strand of hair in there. I don't know how that got in there. That's definitely not mine, because I don't really have the long hair anymore. But regardless, no big deal to me. But yeah, everything looks new. I mean, this is, it says it's remanufactured. It looks pretty much brand new to me. There's like some residue on the side of it right here. Perhaps this was a demo unit that they rebuilt for sale. But other than that, it looks good to me. So some Goo Gone will get rid of that just fine. But you know, hey, if I have to take a little sticker off it and wipe that off to save $100 and something, I'm definitely not going to complain. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and assembly tutorial. I hope it was simple enough, and hopefully I didn't miss anything. But yeah, so I'm going to use this over the next couple weeks and do a full review on it soon. So anyway guys, this is Untitled Studios signing out with the unboxing. And I've been interrupted by a cell phone. And this was the unboxing and assembly tutorial of the Bissell CrossWave multi-surface hard floor cleaner. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace.
What? Sorry, Chance was doing it. Chance.